Enjo atide Misri to Uganda kando wa hangwiro bwatini top model Africa no watongoize horeji ahari Kaboja International School muri Kampala.
Round of applause.
Today we celebrate what we have started, but more importantly, we open the door to what is to come. We are committed to going further, reaching deeper, and lifting even more children.
Nashobora ngo abana babishya binji nabarabo mu mbere gumere eruko bategana somo kukura kwabo.
And our objective is to reach out to children in need through donations of scholastic materials, food items, and other essential support that help restore dignity and hope. We are committed to going further, reaching deeper, and lifting even more children.
As a mother, I have watched my queen growing into a purposeful queen with kind heart and vision to serve other children who are less privileged. She started this journey as second runner-up. She started this journey as second runner-up Little Miss Uganda, Miss Photogenic, and rose to become Teen Top Model Africa.
Because we believe every young child, when they get up to speak, they leave a remarkable mark that speaks volume. So as Little Miss Uganda, I should say we've created role models that kids that inspire other children. Actually, should I say they also inspire the bigger people.
Dr. Sylvia Arinitwe kando kwa bendera y'obunyishenjero kazubwa rukiga nuwabira ryo mujenyi mukuru aha mukorogo kandi ashagikire hureje na miliyoni 10.
Twenda kusima abatekatekere kintu eki sima munonga nyina w'omwana Gloria otiremu amani mingi kugira ngo umwana we yaika aha kitinise cye cyo kuba queen kandi no kumusupportinga kugira ngo atandike foundation. Nabo tureno organizinga ekintu cha Little Miss Uganda context ningo kwakanibwa nabo ntenda kubasima babaryaha kandi twareba na talenti eyi abana beitu batoleka.
And one of the values at the school is to impact a positive change in the world. When you check at our core values, it is making a positive difference. So Angel today is hosting you to launch her foundation to make a difference in the world. Angel, you're a great lady, thank you.
Hat Queen Atire Angel no mwahabarukuza kwaya na robwa nyamunyonyi w'abato munsi yona ninga Shirito Miss World omukwezi kw'ikumennakumwe.
And the cake was cut.
Ahabwa TV West and Elias Ritugusa.
Oh yes.